Study my way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. A for apple. B for ball. C for computer. D for donut. E for elephant. F for fruits. G for gate. H for horse. I for ice. J for jug. K for key. L for ladybug. M for moon. N for nest. O for owl. P for pigeon. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tomato. U for unicorn. V for violin. W for water. X for Xmas tree. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Thank you.